Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this. So the very first thing I'll be doing is to apply an eyeshadow primer, but of course I already had concealer on my lid, so I'm just using the eyeshadow primer for just to make the colors pop. And I'll be reaching into this Morphe 350M eyeshadow palette. First I'll be using those two soft colors on my crease so I can have like a clean canvas. And now I'll be using a stiff brush to pick up those browns I showed you guys, and I'll be using them like picking from the darkest shade to the lightest shade, and I'll be focusing on the outer corners of the eye, to give the illusion that to give the eye the lift, because that's the essence of this whole look. And as I go, I will blend back and forth, make sure there is no harsh lines at all. And I think I use about 2 or 3 blending brushes and a few stiff brushes, just to put the color exactly where I want them and make sure that I blend very, very well. And yeah, this is basically everything. Super easy, guys. And now I will be taking off the tape, and as you can see, we already have like a sharp, nice winged eyeshadow, and I really love it. Like, oh my god. So I'm going to proceed and do my foundation, everything else off camera, and I'll start to smoke out the under eye, and I'll do the exact same thing I did for the top part of my lid. And now I'm just using a dark brown pencil for my waterline, and I'll also go back in with the eyeshadow and a small stiff brush to create like a winged in front or a cat eye. Then I'll use my setting powder and an angled brush to further make that line really sharp. And yeah, this is basically everything, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.